Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to fix overheating issue on your iPhone 17 or 17 Air and how it can completely fix this app. So let's get started. So one of the main reasons why you're having the issue with overheating is the auto brightness. So you can see sometimes you might be set into the auto brightness, so that is one of the main culprit. So in order to fix this, we have to follow these instructions. First one, tap over here in the settings. Now from here you have to scroll down a little bit and tap on accessibility. Now from here you have to tap on display and text size, and even if you scroll down a little bit you can see there is an option called auto brightness. So you have to, if it is turn it on, you have to turn this off. In my case I've already turned it off, so try turning off auto brightness. That is one of the reason. Now you just need to go back, and that's not enough, you just need to go back. Now next one is already, if you go to we need to make few changes on the display and the brightness. So go over here, tap on the display and brightness. So as you can see, the brightness is being set into a mid-rate. So if you go over here, completely lower it down, you'll not be able to see anything, but you have to keep it, always have a habit of keep this on a mid-rate. Or if you're going outside and if you're having an issue with the brightness, you can change this to maximum size, but that is only required whenever you're going outside. But other time, keep a habit of a practice, you can set this to mid-rate over here. Now you just need to go back a little bit, scroll down a little bit, and you have to tap on the auto lock. That is also a main culprit here. So make sure a habit that is change the auto lock to either to 30 seconds. That is very important, you can change to 30 seconds. Now you just need to go back. Now go to the general, and we need to turn off the background app refresh. So scroll down and tap on the background app refresh, and tap on the background app refresh here, and you have to turn this off. Now these are the steps when it comes to how to fix you're having an issue with overheating on your iPhone 17 and iPhone 17 Air. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye bye.